what I can put together. So we'll do the whole works, shoes, the bag, the outfit.
The star! Star!
Oh my goodness! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a spring morning routine with you, and this is going to be more beauty related because today is Makeup Monday. So happy Makeup Monday. I was very inspired to do this video because I just actually put up a vlog, and it was a spring cleaning vlog and declutter, and it felt amazing. It felt good to declutter. So I just thought I would do another spring happy video with you guys, and I wanted to do a morning routine and came up with this makeup look today. So I think it's really nice. It's a nice pop of color and it's still natural and it's not like too much. If you guys have not seen my new vlog, go check it out. It'll be linked down below. And let's get started with my morning routine.
This is what Max's morning routine is like. Oh yeah, classic Max. Good morning, beautiful angels. Good morning, my sweet angel. Hi, baby. Hello, so. Yeah.
And it usually takes me a few minutes to choose out a mug. I'm pretty crazy when it comes to my coffee mugs, if you know me well. But I think I am gonna go in maybe with Glam Girl today. Since it's Makeup Monday, why not? Oh yes, coffee, coffee, coffee. Perfect. Good girl, so. Keep going. Mia, hi. Are you excited?
You're the star! Star!
Oh my goodness.
The way your legs are always...
I know. Oh my god. Okay, and how spring is this hair straightener right here, which I actually got this when we were in Hawaii, and it's so pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna straighten my hair this morning and have my coffee latte. The other thing I live for is this deodorant here. It smells so good. I got this at Sephora, Kopari, and aluminum free, which is amazing, and it just smells heavenly. It smells like coconuts. The other thing I use on my hair is the Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. This is really nice if you have damaged hair. So the other thing I talk about all the time is the Magic Root Cover-Up. So I use this on my roots. It just fills in your roots really nicely. If your hair is thinning like mine, then this is gonna be your best friend. So I just got my coffee latte. I'm about to get ready right now. This is always a must-have. I'm just gonna do my makeup this morning with you, and I'm actually gonna go in with this new Clarins poreless stick that I just bought actually, and it smells like strawberries. It's so refreshing and so nice in the mornings. All the shine away, boom. So it's been working really well for me. So I'm just going into my everyday makeup drawer, which you guys have seen many times. I'm going in with a lot of the usual products that I've been using, but I am gonna go in with some newer products because I want to do more of like a sun-kissed springy look. Okay, so foundation is done. I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I usually like to just fast forward the foundation because it sometimes takes a bit longer, but I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer, and I got this little friend here yesterday because I got my period, and I always break out whenever I have my period. Bye-bye, friend. Okay, all done, and oh my god, the concealer underneath the eyes is just like a miracle worker. I don't know what I would do without that. And I'm gonna go in with another stippling brush, the one from the gold set, and this Fenty Beauty powder has been amazing. I've been using it ever since I got it, the Banana Pro Filter. It's nice. It's just messy, you gotta be careful with it. Wow, so it really holds the foundation all day too. I know I was saying that in my Sephora haul, I'd let you know how I like the powder, and I really love it. It's so smooth, the finish is so nice and flawless. And I was really inspired to doing this video after my spring cleaning video that's on my vlog channel right now. So if you watched that yesterday, I was just like, you know what, I want to do like a spring routine on my main channel, and I love when spring rolls around. I just so many videos that I want to put out and share with you. I want to declutter, I want to clean, I just want to get things organized, so it's just a nice time to do that. I'm obsessed with this powder. Gonna go in with this color right here. I thought that'd be a really nice pop of color. It's very springy. Blush duo. I'm gonna go in with this brush here. It comes on so natural, and it's just such a springy color. I really have been obsessed with it. And these were really an awesome price too. They were just in the little Sephora mini section. So I was really excited because these are perfect for travel, and we're actually going to Santa Monica next week, which is so crazy. It's coming so quickly, but this is totally what I'm going to travel with. This one and then the other little diamond glow. These are perfect for travel. I love that. So nice. And okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to go in with this deeper color right here because I want to go in for more of like a spring sun-kissed kind of look. Just this one that I have right here. It's a little bit darker. I'm gonna go in with my Fun Confetti brush right here. You really don't need a lot. It's so pigmented. Okay. So for my palette, I'm gonna go in with the Tickled Peach. It's just a really nice palette. It's got gorgeous colors in there. And I'm just gonna do something nice and bright on the eye. So I think I'll go in with this highlight color. Can you guys see this mess that I've created already? It's only been like 5 minutes. Look at this. Now I'm just going in with the shader brush that I have right here. This is the rose gold one that's actually in the Ipsy bags this month. So I'm gonna go in with this. And it just really packs on that color. So I'm putting it on the lid and then also the inner corners as well. Whenever I think of spring too, I always do like peachy or pink looks. But I thought peachy and pink would look really nice today. I'm going in with this right here. This is the new liquid liner from Too Faced. It's amazing. It's like the easiest tip I've ever used for liquid liner, and I'm not the best. So if you're not a pro either, this is awesome. So I'm just gonna go in with a nice winged liner look today. Going in with the Better Than Sex mascara, which is also another one of my favorites. So I just took out this new lipstick. I haven't used it yet. It's called Make Me Blush, and since I've been doing so many nudes, I thought I'd go in with more of a pink tone color today. So we're gonna try this on. It's bold, but I did say I wanted to do something bold for the lip today. It's really pretty though, it's very springy. Maybe I'll just tone it down and put a little bit of the Lip Maximizer by Dior on top. Always a nice little trick if it's a little bit too much. And just tone it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a highlight, and my favorite one has been this little Becca Opal. It's so beautiful, this one right here. So we're gonna go in with that. This is also from the Ipsy bags. A little bit. A little bit down the nose too. There we go. Okay, so all done with my spring makeup. I'm gonna try to find a spring outfit and see what I can put together. So we'll do the whole works, shoes, the bag, the outfit, and we'll see what I can get. But I really like how this look turned out. It looks really nice and fresh for spring. And of course, I think you guys know this was my favorite, and this is so springy, but I did also really like the jumper, and I think this would look really nice for today's look. So I think I'm gonna throw on the jumper. This color to me too, now you can see it on the pink sweater I'm wearing right now. It's a really nice like rosy color, and I love it. It's just a really nice spring tone color, and I think I'm gonna pair it with maybe a pair of wedges. We'll see what that looks like, and I haven't chosen my bag yet. Okay, so I got the jumper on, and I actually paired it with these wedges this time. So in the clothing haul I just did, I wore it with pumps, but it does look good with these. It looks really cute, and I love this jumper. I think it's such a nice fit, and I really love the waistband as well, so it really tightens in your stomach, and it's very flattering. I really love it, and it's such a springy color. Like, this screams spring to me, this rosy pink. So I'm just gonna find a bag, and then we have our full outfit. And then for sunglasses here, some springy sunglasses. I think I would go in with these, and they just have the nude back on them and they're so nice. I just picked these up from Nordstrom. So I think I'm gonna go in with these too. So yeah, these are definitely gonna be the shades that I bring with me to Santa Monica. They are my favorite right now. And then I did pick out a bag. So this one here, the Gucci Merman, I just thought the color was bang on, and it's also a dusty rose pink. So that's what that looks like there. Okay guys, that was my spring morning routine. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me and seeing what I came up with for this spring look. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I think this is something I would totally wear and rock when we go to Santa Monica. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what other spring videos you would like to see. I already have some ideas of my own. And this Fashion Friday, I am so excited. I actually have a Chanel unboxing and it's gonna be another luxury haul. So get ready for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I will see you on Fashion Friday.